Every recycled plastic bottle begins its journey with proper collection from communities and waste centers.
The collected plastic waste is transported to a specialized recycling factory.
Workers inspect the plastic to remove non-recyclable materials and debris.
The plastic is sorted by type and color to ensure high-quality recycling.
Labels and caps are removed, separating different plastic materials.
Thousand colors could draft, connecting colors and cassinets. The plastic bottles are shredded into small flakes for easier cleaning and melting. Flakes. These plastic flakes are thoroughly washed to remove dirt, glue, and remaining impurities.
Floating separation helps remove unwanted materials based on weight differences. By letting lighter plastic flakes rise and heavier contaminants sink, each finds its own level. Clean, buoyant pieces skim away, while stones, metal, and grit quietly settle below. The result? Purified plates.
The clean flakes are dried completely to prepare them for melting.
Quality checks ensure the recycled plastic meets production standards.
For chest documents shown that are lining or cut into pellets, the raw material for new plastic products.
Pellets, while the other pellets are stored until they are ready to be used again.
The pellets are melted again and injected into molds to create bottle preforms.
To high until hash. The preforms are evenly heated to prepare them for shaping.
Using air pressure, the preforms expand into full-size plastic bottles.
The bottles are cooled and inspected to ensure strength and quality.
The finished recycled plastic bottles are packaged and ready for distribution, completing the recycling cycle.